am going to tell you how to make quick money in just one day online. I believe that you don't have any time to learn a new skill. I assume that you need not even have to set up a website. I am going to tell you how to make big money online. You can make money through Amazon, Mechanical Turk, Upwork, Freelancer, etc., but you are not looking to make dollars per hour. You can also try sites like Amazon and make small affiliate commissions per product. I will be telling you a method where you can earn hundreds of dollars per day fast. It is quick money and really big money. So we will go to clickbank.com. It is a site with huge affiliate payouts. ClickBank is a site which pays at least 90% commissions on the product sold. It is a highly aggressive network which has paid out at least $3 billion to affiliate marketers like me. So you need to visit ClickBank and sign up there. After logging into ClickBank, you have to go to its affiliate marketplace and click search. You have to choose the high-ticket products. If you want to make $10 to $20, you can go to Upwork.com, but if you want to make thousands of dollars per day, you have to learn about affiliate marketing through ClickBank, Digistore24 or ClickFunnels affiliate program. You can go to ClickBank and promote my product. Just click on product image of the product and then a hop link would be generated image of the product. It will generate a link and you have to copy the link and shorten it by bit.ly.com. Now that you have shortened the link, go to facebook.com and create a post inviting people to free training and write in the post, "Hey, here is a free training which taught me how to make money online. Check it out," and put your affiliate link in there. When people see that link and click on it and buy the product, you will earn $450 through wire transfer or check. Do this on all the social networks you have. You can share it on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Reddit, Tumblr and all the social media networks you know. Joining ClickBank is absolutely free. ClickBank will ask you for your banking information whether you want to get paid through checks or wire transfer. ClickBank is a trusted marketplace for advertisers and affiliate marketers. It is based in Idaho and is 21 years old. You need to enter your social security number and banking details if you want to get paid. All you have to do is to create a username or nickname while signing up and you are ready to get the product which has the highest value per sale. There you go. It is an instant way to make a huge amount of money. Like this video. Check out the links in the description if you want to know how to make a 6 or 7 figure income. Here I will explain to you the entire system of affiliate marketing.